Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Hot Stuff by Kygo and Donna Summer. Okay, it's a very easy song. We're playing it in standard chords, so just stay tuned to learn the chords. Alright, now what you need is a capo on your 3rd fret, and you need to know the basic chords, of course, which are, for this song we're mostly using E minor. So I'm just strumming down, 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 down. Okay, so this is what you're playing for your verse, mostly the na 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 lately. And then as we go into the pre-chorus, the na 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 na, we're playing A minor to D minor, E minor. Okay, sorry, so it's A minor, B minor, sorry, A minor, B minor, E minor. Okay, so that's na 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 B minor, sorry, A minor, A minor, B minor, B minor, E minor. Okay, so that's okay. So you play A minor twice, B minor once, E minor once. So na 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 na. So instead of playing the full B minor chord, you can play this B minor, which is 0-2-0-2-3-0. I used to think this is a D7. I don't know which app told me that, but yeah, a lot of you guys have been telling me in the comments it's just a B minor. So yeah, this is actually it's a B minor 7. Yeah, B minor 7. So this is 0-2-0-2-3-0. Okay. Na 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 na. As we go on with the song, into the I need hot stuff, na 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 na, I need hot stuff. We're just on E minor, hot stuff, right? And then we go into the right. So this is E minor. Then we go to G. And then we go to D, and then we go to E minor. Okay, so that's E minor, G, D, E minor. Okay, E minor, G, D, and then E minor. That's like the EDM part. I don't know if that's the chorus or what. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, you can also play C instead of the E minor, so that'll go na 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 na. That's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any other songs, new songs that you need me to check out on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe and like the video and share it if it helped you. And if you need to learn the chords, if you don't know the chords that I was using, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it though, let me know in the comment section below. I will link it for y'all. Otherwise, peace.